In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit tasks in Goodday. Bulk editing is a huge time saver, especially when you're managing a lot of tasks that all need the same update. Instead of opening each task one by one, you can apply changes to multiple items at once. I'll walk you through the basic flow so you can use this confidently in your own projects. First, start by selecting a project. When you log into Goodday, you'll see your list of projects or workspaces on the main screen or in the sidebar, depending on your layout. Click into the specific project where the tasks you want to update are located. This is important because bulk editing will only affect the tasks that are visible in the project or view you're currently working in. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right place and that you're seeing the correct list of tasks. Once you're inside the project and the task list is visible, look for the checkbox beside each task. This checkbox is usually located on the left side of the task row. To start, click on the checkbox next to the first task you want to include in your bulk edit. After you select that first task, you'll notice that more options appear, usually at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, continue selecting all the tasks you want to edit together. You can click each checkbox individually, or if Goodday supports it in your view, you might be able to use Shift-click to select a range of tasks at once. Be careful during this step. Any changes you apply will affect every task you've checked, so it's worth double-checking your selection before moving on. With your tasks selected, it's time to choose what you want to edit. Look for a bulk actions menu or an edit option that appears once at least one task is checked. Click that and you'll see a list of fields you can change for all selected tasks, such as status, assignee, priority, due date, or other attributes supported in your workspace. Select the specific field you want to update, choose the new value, and then confirm or save the change. Goodday will then apply that update to every task you selected.